Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Science class. I am Neetu from Bharatidasnar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Okay, children, this next session, fourth section, spread of revolt. Okay, let's continue. The real strength behind the 1857 revolt was the participation by the Sepoys, peasantry, artisans, laborers, zamindars. Okay, what about Sepoys? Sepoys under the leadership of Mangal Pandey, Sepoy mutiny. The first war of independence or 1857 revolt is considered as the Sepoy mutiny, right? So, Sepoys are the participation of Sepoys is very important. It's a pivotal role the participation of the Sepoys. Then next one is peasantry, farmers, okay, individual cultivators, that is known as peasantry. Then artisans, handicraft people, okay, they made things by hands, handicrafted people. Then laborers and zamindars, these all people, they are fight against the British rule. 1857 revolt, we can see that the whole participation of this group of people. Then there were many prominent leaders of the uprising of 1857. These are the common people. Okay. Then what about the high or prominent leaders? These are the people, the leaders of particular places. So, in Delhi, we can see that Emperor Bahadur Shah, we already explained in the third part, right? So, Bahadur Shah, the Emperor Bahadur Shah, who under the leadership of Bahadur Shah, a mutiny started at Delhi. Okay, then barely we can see that General Bhagat Khan, under the leadership of Bhagat Khan, barely we can see that the mutiny started. Then what about Kanpur, Nana Sahib? Okay, then Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, under the leadership of Rani Lakshmi Bai, she fought against British until her death. Then Jagadishpur, Kunwar Singh, and Awadh Hasrat Mahal, Begum Hasrat Mahal, under the leadership of Begum Awadh Hasrat Mahal, we can see that the mutiny was started. Okay. Then the uprising, what about the end of this 1857 revolt? It was short-lived, okay, it was short-lived. Delhi was recovered by the British. In climax, in 1857, the revolt 1857 revolt, and we can see that the uprising was short-lived. At the same time, Delhi was recovered by the British. Okay, then Bahadur Shah Zafar was imprisoned and exiled to Rangoon. What do you mean by exile? Exile means to compulsorily to moving one place to another. Our motherland to move from our motherland to in another place. That is meant by exile. Okay. So, Bahadur Shah Zafar was imprisoned and exiled to Rangoon. Who is Bahadur Shah Zafar? Bahadur Shah, he was the leader in Delhi. Okay. Then the Mughal dynasty came to an end during this period. We can see that the end of Mughal period, Mughal dynasty, Mughal rulers Babur, Akbar, Humayun, Jahangir, Aurangzeb, Shah Jahan, etc., etc. So many Mughal rulers are there. So, the Mughal dynasty came to an end after the 1857 revolt. Okay. Then the revolt had been crushed, that means suppressed, brutally suppressed by the British officials, and the British Empire had survived. They want to survive. So, that is why they suppressed the 1857 revolt, because they have the power, they have variety of weapons. The Indians, they do not have that variety, that much of power, that much of weapons. That was the reason behind the failure. We are going to discuss. We will discuss the causes of failure in the next class. Okay, but now we just mentioned about how the 1857 revolt was crushed, because only because of this power and organization of British rule. So they simply crushed and British Empire had survived, and the revolt was fully suppressed by 1858. In 1858 we can see that there is no evidence, they are fully suppressed, they are crushed the 1857 revolt. Okay, so So this is the 1857 revolt. These are the major causes. This is senders of the most important thing on the senders of the main leaders, prominent leaders, Bahadur Shah, General Bhagat, Nana Sahib, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Kunwar Singh, Begum Hasrat Mahal. These are the prominent leaders behind the outbreak of 1857 or revolt. Okay, Mangal Pandey, one among most important person, and at the same time, it's only revolt was fully suppressed in 1857 year, and it has lasted for year. Okay, this is 1857 revolt. We have discussed the 5 major reasons and spread of revolt. It started in Meerut on 1857, 10th May 1857, and it spread over Delhi, all over Delhi, and it's considered as the first war of independence because that much of violence we can see in this revolt. Okay. So many of the people, Shipois, peasantry, laborers, artisans, zamindars, they all started to fight against the British. But the 1857 revolt was a complete failure, a huge failure. It was a short-lived revolt. Okay, it was a huge failure. But all these things are here. But at the same time, Indian history mentioned that 1857 revolt considered as the first war of independence, and it was considered as, it's also known as Sepoy Mutiny. Okay, I hope you understood the class, and if you have any doubts, I have attached the subject materials and do self-assessment. Okay, so kindly go through it. Okay, thank you children.